Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts in iPhone problem. In this problem your screen does not work, then how to fix this problem? So friends, listen carefully. First of all, to fix this problem, press volume up button quickly and volume down button quickly, then hold power on button. So friends, these all steps follow fastly. First of all, press volume up button quickly and volume down button quickly, then press and hold power on button. Now your mobile will switch off and switch on, and your problem will be fixed. So friends, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.